Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today we're in the Adirondacks and we're gonna hike Tabletop Mountain. So I'm hiking Tabletop via the hoevenberg trail. A lot of people are hiking it also with Phelps. They're doing both mountains at the same time. But I've done Phelps already in 2019. I'll put the link in the description if you want to see that video. So this mountain apparently is pretty nice. I don't know how's the view up there. Sometimes it's covered, sometimes it's open. We'll see. Surprise. It also includes the Marcy Dam and a lot of other things. It's gonna be a fun hike. This trail has an entry fee because you have to pay for the parking. At the lodge, it's at the moment $15 US. It's crazy how the temperature can change. 5 days ago, it was 20 degrees Celsius outside. Today, it's minus 3 degrees Celsius. Well, it's supposed to be cold. Today is November 9. The first part of this trail to go to the dam is actually pretty easy. It's pretty flat. You're just following the path. Super easy to follow. Super, it's not complicated. It's well marked. It's so popular. You will see a lot of people here. It's crowded, but during the week it's not too bad. Tabletop is part of the Adirondack 46ers, so it's considered a high peak. It's over 4,000 feet. And you need to hike it if you want to have the badge and be a 46ers. So this is the Marcy Dam. That was close. Super slippery. Crossing a river with wet, icy rocks. When you try to be cool, to film everything, and not use your trekking pole at a risk to split your head open, Yeah, that was stupid. Don't do that. Make sure to smash that like button. After that slippery river crossing, the trail starts to be more steep, so you start to climb. This is the split. If you want to go to Phelps, you just go up there, and after that you can come down or continue and go to Tabletop like I'm doing today. This trail is an out and back trail. Unless you want to do the big loop, you can do the Marcy loop, which includes tons of mountains, but it's super long. When you start to climb the last stretch to reach Tabletop, I would say the last mile, it's pretty much an earth path, and it's super icy. So put some micro spikes. I will. I'm just about to put them on because it's very icy and pretty steep. So you need spikes. So that's the top of Tabletop. We don't have a super view. There's some trees, but you can still see over them. But yeah, so you can still see plenty of mountains, but it's not the best view, but you still have a view. The trail starts super easy at the lodge, all the way up to Marcy Dam, pretty flat. When you reach Marcy Dam, it starts to get up a bit, so you get some elevation, all the way up to the last stretch. I would say maybe the last mile. It's more steep and it's super icy, so you need micro spikes for that part. Other than that, it's not that hard. The view is okay. You get like a 180 view, but you get some trees, so you have to look over the trees, but you still have a view. So I hope you enjoyed that video. See you soon.